Watagwan Mageto youth zita rangu ndinonzi SGP kana kuti Sekuru Gudo. Yes, welcome to Sekuru Gudo Picture channel. Of course, kana iri first time yako kusvika panapa, we welcome you. Kana uri returning subscriber zvakare, thanks nekudzoka kuzotsigira nekuti hafuna kumwe kwazvinoitwa kupfuura panapa. Kune vasati vasubscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video as well. Like it and ring the notification bell so that every time that we get to post new content, you get to be notified first. Somebody is calling me, but I am just going to ignore that. Anyway, moving on. Now, it's a very important topic that we are discussing. Yes, nasi tuku discussa nyaya mitemo kana kuti rules success. I am going to be talking today ndakanyanya kunangana oro ndakazemberana kunyanya nezve music, because zve music ndo zvandino nyanya kutaura nezvazvo mostly on this channel, although ndimbobata amwe ma topics. Yes, same tinongodzoka pasame reference yangu. I like to use Chooseport Records as my main reference for most of the things, because I envy those guys ndinochiva maitiro avanoita zvinhu zvavo nemaraniro avanoita their business. So guys, I just want to give a reference of Chooseport. As always, that's what I always do. So reference, it will be affecting two people or two parts in this video: the producers and the artist. Okay, let me take a short break and answer that call, then I'll be back in a few minutes. Anyway, we are back again to our video. Sorry for the inconvenience. Anyway, guys, continuing with our story, I will be touching on two important players in the music industry. One of the players is my producers and the other player, my artist. This is what happens. Guys, every game rine ma rules. Kungave kubhora, kungave kusnuka, ukatotadza kutamba snooker ukatyora mutemo ndosana pachipiwa ma two shots pachipiwa different types of ma penalties. Also kubhora ukabata bhora mu 18 area kana mu 16 panorohwa pena. So that is the same thing that happens to music. So when you are in the music industry, you also don't need to break the rules if you want to be successful. The same if you want to be successful, you need not to break the rules. So kunema rules ariko ku music, and most artists and producers, they don't want those rules. Vanda kuma jamba, they ignore those rules. They don't want to follow my principles. We actually call them guidelines as well. So back to Chooseport as a reference. Chooseport is a successful stable in Zimbabwe, especially Ishibadabada outside Zimdancehall, and almost 78% of studios in Zimbabwe or producers, they are into Zimdancehall. But for so many years they've been trying, but they are not breaking through. Zviri kunetsa, zviri kuramba. Vakawanda vakutanga kuti hey, Chooseport ndezano, hey, Chooseport ine huori, inozotonyora inoziri. But first of all, let's look at effort inoiswa neChooseport versus effort yaunoisa iwo. Programming yaChooseport versus programming yako. Makafanana here oro zvakafanana here zvintu izvi. I'm just gonna say this in short, and I'm just going to make a little comparison of these two people. A mere studio or an ordinary bedroom studio in Kwazana or Mabvuku versus Chooseport. Right, Chooseport, from the information that I have, I did not call the Chooseport guys, or this video is not influenced by the Chooseport guys. It is just the information that I see from afar. Then into Bandango calculator, maybe this is how they are running, but this is going to be more relatable. So Chooseport, inner Fantan, inner levels, ine ma-DJs vana DJ Ribe, DJ Cables, ine mamwe maproducer andiri kuona panombobuda tumwe tumavideos twomustudio anenge ari machiratidza ndo anenge vachirekodha. Actually, I'm not even seeing levels nafantan in the studio recording. So they have a studio as well. So Qsport, to me, this is my equation. Yandakaweka ndikaona ndo inobudisa formula. This is the formula ya Qsport yandinofungidzira ini from my own perspective. Maybe you know better than me, but izvi zvichaita easy kumaproducer akawanda kuti anzwise or maartist akawanda. So apa ndikutaura nezvemaproducers first. Qsport kuna Fantan, kuna Levels, kuna ma-DJ, ana Cables, na Ribe, I don't know whatever. Kune tumwe tumaproducer futi turiko, I don't know them by their names, but ndongoona tuma new faces. So what I've thought Qsport kuti iri kuita is Levels is a producer, is the one anenge achiproducer uro twapfana tumwe twaya turiko twaya tine musoro inenge mamopu ndo tinenge tichiproducer music. Then Fantan chips in kumarketing more. Fantan munoziva kuti he is energetic, anofarira basa rake, and then he start marketing mageto youths anenge achimarketa. Then vana DJ Ribe straight, they have my points or my places avanoridza like my power and stuff are very popular. So when there's a brand new song which is good to Qsport, what they simply do, vanongotora song here and then they go to Qsport, then they want to play a song, then they go to my power want to play a song straight out Qsport song yakutonorera kupopular power. Then vanhu vakuto vane song here iri musoro mavo vachidzokera kudzimba dzavo mangwana makuseni, let's say varara kudikinya, vakutoita sing along that song. So there's a good combination and flow of work from the producer. Ngoma richibikwa Fantan akutotanga marketing pama accounts pavo and wherever, then ngoma rimirire kunzi richazoenda kuradio kana kudii. Ngoma rakutonorera kubhawa guys, ngoma rakutonorera kubhawa, zvinhu zvakutofaya. Iwo ungori producer uri one, hauna kana DJ, hauna kana assistant, you are not marketing, hauna kana data, and you don't want to get involved nevamwe vanhu vanomaketa vachikumaketera zvinhu zvako, then you want your work to be the same as Qsport. No, hatifambi chidaro. Qsport ine ma-rules neprogram yayo, ine schedule yayo yekuti zvinhu zvedu zvinobva zvaenda ine production system yayo, or production network or ecosystem yayo yainayo from the production side. So taona kuti pana Fantan for marketing, Levels for producing, ana DJ Ribe for playing the songs kuma different outlets kunenge kuine chaunga as a way of marketing also. Right. Apa tinambotaura zveZanu-PF, apa tinambotaura zvekutonyorawo zvekuti it's a system iri flawless yekutongoti everything zvikaitwa that way, my chances ekuve successful they are well above 70%. Anyway, let's move to the artist side. So before we move to the artist side, ndataura kuma-producers ku-Qsport's production network, ma-producers akawanda they don't want to do that. Munhu anoda kuita umbimbi ndoga, handiti anoda kuita zvese ega, whatever, everything zvese anoda kuita ega. Handizoti vanoda kuita zvese vega here or vanoshaya vanhu vekubatana navo vane same ideas now, but I only blame those people who despise Qsport. I only blame my producer anovenga Qsport or anodhisa Qsport achiti Qsport ine huori inozodai. Imimi ndima ndikunyanyitaura ndakanangana navo. Those who like Qsport like me, I think they are not going to be affected by this video. So guys, you need to change your system, how you run your studios and how you operate in your studios, and start following in the footsteps of Qsport. Let's move on. Tiende kuma artist. Right, ma-artist akawanda anochiva kuenda kuQsport. Hato vatanoputika, hato vatanorova mangoma, hato vatanorekodha, hato vatofanda nopa, hatoti chichi. A lot of artists, handiziva kuti kubvira rini Qsport ichivhurwa, kuri kungoenda vanhu vakawanda vachinorekodha kuQsport, but hazvikushamise here kuti probably vanhu vakangoita 2-4 years ago kuQsport are the same people who are still popular kuQsport ikoko. They are the same people, although there are a lot of artists also who are going there and making new music. So what I've realized is ma-artist havadi futi kuteedza mitemo iyi, havadi kuteedza ma-rules. Each and every camp in a rules ayo, Qsport in a rules ayo. If you want to be successful per certain school, you have to go there, learn the way they teach, and then you have to accept how they transfer knowledge from my professors out to you, and you need to comply with my principles. Ukaenda ukanoita nubu, ukanoita I don't know whatever, you'll be chased away from that school, and you never succeed. You will never even write your examinations. I will get my notes, I will attend my lessons, I will pin them class in time. You know, our principals, they say, Pachkoro, you are not following. Then you expect to written no. So the same people, if I want to choose sport, they go to choose sport as my artist. Once they go there, they don't follow the choose sport course completely. Successful. Then they come back again, then they start to bash choose sport. Choose sport yakadi. Makaenda ka muchifunga kuti muchanoita zvamunoita kumabedroom studios zvekudherera maproducer muchioma musoro musingale kuzwa zvekuita. Then you wanted to apply the same kuchoose sport. Ndobva marambirwa zvinizvo. Now that you are back and you are broke and now you are crying. You are crying, my brother, that choose sport robbed you. You are crying with the music industry is robbing you. You are crying with my DJs, you are robbing you. You are crying foul and you are blaming everyone in the music industry. It is your fault because you did not follow the rules. As I always say in my videos, music rene two side. Rene the side rekuimba, ne the side rekutodzidza. Industry. So a lot of artists vanogona kungoenda vanoshanda tomati kwavo voya vomira pacondenser. Yeah. After wapedza kuti then they think everything is gonna sort itself on its own. No, it doesn't happen like that. Unofana kuenda nechikoro chemangoma. Kune chikoro chinonzi chemangoma. Saka ma successful artists, those successful artists that you see, they are not ignorant like you. There are only a few people, a small fraction out of 100, I can say only 5 artists do not terror. 95% inenge iri boastful, inenge iri stubborn. It does not want to listen to my rules of the game. Once you stop listening to the rules of the game, you will be kicked out of the game completely or you will lose. Zvikanzi pakati munojamba iwe unoramba uchimodhela. Pane gomba, godi wanyura mugomba. Who are you going to blame? Ukasvika pakati pane shumba mufana kukwira muti for 6 hours. Iwe uri kuenda uri kumodhela. Maybe hausi kukwira muti for 6 hours. Unodyiwa neshumba. That's how it works. That's how it goes. Those are the rules of the games of hiking or whatever. As an example. So those guys, those people who don't follow rules, they always lose at the end of the day. Munoraskirwa nemari, munoraskirwa nenguva, munoraskirwa nema resources. You start to blame the music industry. You start to blame my producers. You start to blame my promoters. You start to blame my DJs. It's because you hauna plan. You are not following rules. You are not following the principles. Ekuti music in it was ekuti successful. So you need, guys, to go back to the drawing board. Moyaso no ndidzo ere nzira dzamuri kufamba nadzo ndiwo ere matsimba amuri kuteedza pamuita zvemangoma uye zvamuri kutasira muri kufunga kuti zvinobuda ere nezvamuri kuita. Zvamuri kukohwa amount ere zvamuda kukohwa inoenderana ere nezvamakadyara oro nezvamuri kudyara. Muri kuteedzera ere kuti cotton inoda kusprayiwa after chinosprayiwa nemushonga wakati munogwekohwa vanhu muda kuzokohwa cotton musina kuspraya musina kuverenga kuti inorimwa sei. So, to those artists vasingade kutedzera ma rules of the game, this game is going to be painful and muchazozvirealize later and mune maita ma losses akakura and there will be no one to blame but yourself. Kuma producers who still blame other studios or blame other producers for their failure or who say kune sabotage zvakazoti, are you following the proper right channels on how to make music, market your music and distribute your music? So guys, you need to be aware of this. This is why I made this video. It's special for you, those guys who are ignorant, who don't want to learn. Chikoro hachitizi chero kapinda mvura munotoone chikoro chekuti how do you survive under the water. Chero ukakwira mugomo, ukakwira mugomo panotoone ma lessons unofana kunge wakatodzidza kuti how to survive pama high altitudes. Mugomo mune shumba, mune mhuka, mune zvipuka zvakasiyana siyana. How are you going to survive? So if you ignore the guide on how to hike mugomo, if you ignore this, the guide on how to swim in the ocean, you are going to end up being eaten by the sharks. Because uchanoshambira kuno kune mashaki wodyiwa, who are you going to blame? Vakakomborerwa vanoteerera mavideos anaya nekuona mavideos anaya because you are getting ready and equipped for the music industry, and hamusi kuzoita malosses akanyanya, hamusi kuzowasta ma-resources, and hamusi kuzowasta time yenyu. You are just going to hit straight to the point and reap your success in no time. So guys, thank you for watching this, and I hope you share this video with others and invite more people, and subscribe also at the same time to my YouTube channel. My name is SJP. Until we meet again, please don't forget to go to Facebook and like my Facebook page on the Sekuru Gudo Pikicha. I am across all social media platforms. Nesem zitairuru rekuti Sekuru Gudo Pikicha. So go there and support me, guys. Until we meet again. Aneta nekudzisa mageto idzi muchandibhadhara urini.